Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install CEX.io app, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install the CEX.io app on your device, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type CEX.io and press enter. Look for the app with the official logo and name. Once you locate the app, tap on it to open the detail page. Check the app's ratings and reviews to ensure it's the official version. After confirming, tap the install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see the open button. Tap open to launch the CEX.io app. You may also find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. When the app opens, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. If you already have an account, tap on Login to enter your credentials. If you're a new user, select Register to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email and set a strong password. After completing the registration, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the app and log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, explore the features of the CEX.io app. You're now ready to start trading or managing your cryptocurrencies efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.